Hi, this is Rick Orr, CEO of ATX Innovation. The following video sequence shows how a patron opens, reviews, and pays his tab with TabbedOut. TabbedOut is a free download available on the iTunes App Store. It's currently only supported on the iPhone platform. However, we have upcoming releases for both Android and BlackBerry. The following demonstration will show the interaction that a user would have after he had downloaded the iPhone version from the App Store. First, let's take a quick look at the features of the application. With integrated GPS location services, patrons can find a venue near them. Inside the application is also a resident FAQ for frequently asked questions ranging from how secure is the application to how does it work. The Settings button allows patrons to store multiple credit or debit cards directly to their phone. These payment sources are stored encrypted locally to the device and only display the final four numbers of the card number. Once your payment information has been stored, you can then use nearby locations on the phone to find a venue near you. You can see that the app has an integrated Google Maps feature to help patrons find the location. You can also see that I could select a different payment source if I would like. And of course, we're able to open a tab directly from the phone. Everything looks good here, so I'll go ahead and select Open Tab. Upon selecting Open Tab, my payment info is actually sent directly to the point of sale at the venue. The venue will then send a unique code specific to my tab reservation, which the patron will then show to the server. Once the patron has shown the bartender his code, the bartender can then look to his display and find the exact same code. This code represents the patron's payment information as if the card had been swiped. But of course, with TabbedOut, the plastic never had to leave his pocket. Now we have a new sale, and the patron can view their open tabs by selecting our venue. You can see from the Bill Details button that the beers that we added to the order are visible. Additionally, you'll notice that the patron can adjust the tip amount via percentage or via adding a specific dollar amount. In the event the bartender is still modifying the check, the following prompt will be displayed, alerting the patron that they're not able to close out their tab at this time. Here, let me set the tip. You can see that if it goes above the maximum tip that we warn the user, but do allow them to present that tip amount. Okay, now let's pay the tab. The unique feature of TabbedOut is that the patron now has full control to leave when he wishes. By selecting Pay, he submits the payment information stored directly from his phone to the bar for the check that was created previously, and upon successful payment is able to send himself a receipt. This is great for tax purposes and expense tracking. In the event he'd like to see historic tabs, he can always look at the History tab from the home screen and see tabs that were previously closed by date. He can also email a receipt from this window. This feature is also very valuable for business travelers and for tax and expense tracking purposes. So let's discuss the value proposition for all involved. For the customer, it's about security, keeping plastic in their pockets and not handing it to a server or wait staff for hours at a time. It's also about convenience, the ability to close your tab whenever you would like, whether you're at the bar or not. Finally, it's about control. To be able to review your tab throughout the evening helps ensure that the bar is charging you correctly and that your friends aren't putting drinks on your tab. The value proposition for the bar is simple: additional sales. The ability to focus on pouring drinks instead of the more cumbersome closeout process over the course of an evening enables a bar to generate more revenue. In conclusion, we at ATX Innovation are excited to strike new strategic partnerships with point-of-sale providers and hospitality industry vendors. Visit us at www.tabbedout.com to learn more about our product and to contact us. Thank you.